Introducing model number RT35. Height 2,273 millimeter. Length 2,209 millimeter. Width 1,625 millimeter. Chuck size 165 millimeter. Spindle speed 2,500 to 3,500 RPM. Bar capacity 40 millimeter. Swing over bed 440 millimeter. Total number of stations 8. And turret BTP 63. Maximum cutting length 250 millimeters. Maximum cutting diameter 160 millimeter. X-axis travel 520 millimeters. Z-axis travel 250 millimeters. Coolant tank and coolant pump. Controller HR808. Handwheel and USB port. RealTech's HR808 controller advantages. 3-time fast controller. Large storage capacity 256 megabyte. 2-way ball screw. Chip breaking function. Spindle speed variation. 3-axis load display. Handwheel tri-cut. Panel AC. Electric panel. Lubrication tank. Foot switch.